Hi, hello all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remember certain trigonometric identities which are very important, and what are the formulas that you need to know and how to derive the formulas, all the formulas and identities from the formulas that you already know. Begin. So you know this formula, right? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And hope if you need a proof for that, this is a right angle triangle. This is theta. Think that this is Pythagorean triplet, 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. You know that 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 5 square is 25. So this is right angle triangle ABC and Pythagorean triplet. So according to our definition, what is sine theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse, correct? So it is 3 by 5. How about cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, so that is 4 by 5. So what is sine square theta? That is 9 by 25. How about cos square theta? 16 by 25. So what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? When I add this, I will get this 9 by 25 plus 16 by 25. That is 25 by 25, that is 1. Okay, just a small demo on showing that it is always sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And that is one of the identity that you know, and that's a very important identity, actually very important. I can write here very important identity. Okay, now along with this there are so many other identities, but what I suggest you is learn this identity very well because it's very important. Now let us see. Okay, what is sine theta by cos theta? Tan theta. Okay, right, you should be knowing that, and I hope that you know it. Okay, what is the reciprocal of sine theta, or 1 by sine theta, or that I'll write the reciprocal, so it will be very easy. Okay, sine theta's reciprocal is, this is reciprocal, cos theta. Yesterday's video I have told you that you write cosecant theta and bifurcate like this, so s divides here, so cos theta come this side and secant theta come this side. So cos theta's reciprocal is secant theta. That implies sine theta's reciprocal is cosecant theta. Tan theta's reciprocal is cotangent, that is cot theta. Sine theta, these are the reciprocal values. And this is sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. These are some of the important things that you need to know to derive some of the formulas. Observe here, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Let me rewrite here, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now I am dividing this entire equation by sine square theta. So by sine square theta, sine square theta, sine square theta. Now this cancels. You said sine square theta plus by sine square theta cancels. It will be 1. Plus what is cos by sine? Sine by cos is tan, so cos by sine is cot. So it is cot square theta is equal to 1 by sine square theta. So 1 by sine is sine's reciprocal, that is cosec. So this is cosecant square theta. So this is one of the equations or identity in trigonometry that we derived, and we don't know this identity. You know it by heart, this identity, so that you might get confused whether it is sec or cosecant, or is tan here, or is it some other trigonometric ratios or something like that. You need it for all those things. Just understand this identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and divided by sine square theta, you have this identity. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, so sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. At that time we divided it by sine square theta. Now I am dividing the entire thing by cos square theta. So here comes by cos square theta. Sine square theta by cos square theta is nothing but, I can write that as tan square theta. Plus cos square theta by cos square theta is nothing but it is 1 is equal to 1 by cos square theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is secant theta, that is secant square theta. So this is the identity number 3 that we have derived it just with the help of this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Find out the value of the this type of value, sin 90 plus or minus theta, how much it should be. For example, in the quadrants, you know that which is the first quadrant is here, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Here all values are positive here, so I'll write there A. In the second quadrant only sine is positive, so I'll write S. Here only tan is positive, the rest things are negative, so I write there T. And here it is cos is positive, so I can write it as all silver tea cups, or all students take coffee. And some of my students have also modified that formula, I mean that abbreviation as all science teachers are crazy. That thing is also there. For example, if I wanted to find something by 90 plus, so this is 0 here, is it? And this is 90, that is pi by 2 we write it as, but for brevity, for this first class I'll write as 90, it is pi by 2, it is written in radians. This is 180, this is 270 degree. So if I want to find something like sine 180 minus theta, so this is going in the anti-clockwise direction. So plus is this side and the negative is this side. So we write 0 in the anti-clockwise. This is the way I write 0. So this is anti-clockwise. This is, what is clockwise direction means? See the clock. So see how the second second hands is moving. That direction you see, that is the clockwise direction. The minute hands, everything moves in the clockwise direction. So that means clockwise direction is like this, correct? So the clock, it's moving in this direction, right? From left to right or something. 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta, minus is here. So because when we move around this is the way that this is a pattern that it moves anti-clockwise. So this side is plus. 180 minus means here. So 180 minus something, it should lie in the second quadrant, where second quadrant is sine is positive. So if I wanted to find sine 180, it's written here, right? Sine 180 minus theta, it is a positive value, but sine, since it is 180, the function is sine itself. If it is 90 or 270, then sine and cos value will get interchange for 90 and 270, but for 180 it is as such. Come on, find out what is cos of 360 plus theta. Cos 360 plus theta. So 0, 90, 180, 270. So here 180, 360 comes over here. 360 plus. So it is here. Plus value is here. So my question is 360 plus theta. So it is here. Every function is positive here. So cos 360 plus theta is cos theta itself, because it's not 90 nor 270, it is 360, so it is the same function cos, and it is cos theta. When I said here all functions are positive, sine and its reciprocal are positive, just one small correction that is in need to understand that. So you cannot say cosecant is negative here. It can never be possible if sine is positive. If sine is positive, obviously its reciprocal is also positive. Tan is positive, that means cot is also positive. Cos is positive, that means secant is also positive.